Welcome to Mathecation. We are going to discuss about the 6 basic rule of differentiation. Rule number 1, constant rule. Constant rule is when all the x has the answer of 0. Example number 1, the number 5. 5 is a variable, so the answer is 0. Example number 2, the negative 7 is a variable, so the answer is also 0. Now, next is 24. 24 is a variable, so the answer is 0. Wait. So, if f of x is equal to pi, pi is not a constant, also a variable, so the answer is 0. And y is equal to e. E is a constant, but doesn't have a variable, so equals to 0. Let's have an example. F of x is equal to 8. So, f factor x is equal to 0. Let's confirm that. Kung ang f factor of x ay equal to lim h to 0. So f of x plus h minus f of x over h is equal to lim h to 0. 8 minus 8 is total of 0 divided by h. So, we will write it into lim h to 0 equal to 0 divided by h is equal to 0. Rule number 2. Power rule. The power of derivative of f of x is equal to x to the power of n. Our n is a constant and our x is the variable. So, f to the factorial of x is equal to x raised to n minus 1. Here is some example. F of x is equal to x squared. So, ipapauna natin si number 2. Si x squared number 2. So, f factorial of x is equal to 2x raised to 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So, 2x raised to 1, or simply write 2x. Rule number 3. Constant multiple rule. This is the formula in solving constant multiple rule. D over x to c f factorial is equal to c over d over dx f factorial. Let's have an example. D over dx open bracket 4x third 4x cube sorry. So, ilalabas natin si 4. So, magiging 4d over dx open bracket and x cube. So, next dyan is i-multiply natin. Yung cube natin, ilalagay natin siya sa doon sa tabi ni x. Magiging constant. Ay, variable. So, d over dx, open bracket, 4 times, lalagay natin si 3. 3. Pagkatapos yan, i-minus natin si 3 minus 1. Para maging 2. Okay? So, susunod natin doon, cube. ay squared pala. So, the answer will be, parang di ako sure. So, 4 times 3 is a total of 12x squared. So, that's the final answer. D over dx, 12x squared. That's the answer. Rule number 4, sum and differentiation rule. Example of sum and differences rule. D over dx, open parenthesis, 2 over 3x to the power of 6 minus 5 plus 3 over x times 7. So, our next step is we will just copy the rest, tapos lagyan lang natin yung dalawa ng x. D over dx, open parenthesis, 2 over 3, compare lang natin, x raised to 6 minus 5x plus 3x, lagyan natin siya ng raised to negative 1 plus 7. So, it equals to 2 over 3 times 6, bring down na natin yon, x, tapos may minus natin yung 6 to 1. So, 6 minus 1 is 5. So, negative 5, bring down lang natin yan, plus 3, negative x, minus raised to negative minus 2, plus 0. So, it equals to 4x fifth minus 5 minus 3 over x squared. Rule number 5, product rule. This is the formula in solving product rule. F times g is equal to f factorial to g plus f g factorial. Example number 1. D over dx, so open bracket, x squared times sin x, close parenthesis. So, our f is x squared and our g is sin x. Now, let's find the factorial of them. So, our f factorial is 2x. Ito transfer lang natin siya sa unahan. Kaya para maging 2x. And our g of g factorial is cos x. Here is the example. Here is the solution. 2x, open parenthesis, sin x, close parenthesis, plus x squared, cos x, close parenthesis. So, it's equal to x, open bracket, to sin x plus x cos x. That is the final answer. Rule number 6, quotient rule. This is the formula in solving the quotient rule. D over dx, open parenthesis, f f of x over g of x. The clue there is our f of x is the top and the g of x is the bottom. See, bottom and the top. Now, it's equal to g of x of factorial minus f of x g factorial of x over open parenthesis g of x close parenthesis squared. Ang clue dyan guys, eto. Bottom derivative of top minus top derivative of bottom. Top derivative of bottom. Over bottom squared. Top. Ay, may mistake guys. Bottom. Yan. Divided by bottom. So here is an example. Now, let's try to solve an example. D
y is equal to 5x
example.
plus 1
Y is equal to 5x
2x
plus 1 over 2x minus 1. As you can see, our 5x plus 1 is our top, while our 2x minus 1 is our bottom. Let's try to follow the pattern. Bottom derivative. Let's try the bottom, write the bottom derivative first. The 2x minus 1, close, of top. Our top is the 5. There. Minus, let's write that top derivative, which is the 5x plus 1. Next is write the bottom, which is the 2. Over bottom derivative, which is the 2x minus 1 squared.
And we will multiply that.
So, y factorial is equal to
So we have 10x
10x, which is the 5 times 2 is 10x. 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. Next is 2 times negative 5 is negative 10x.
2 times 5 is
Then, 2 times 1 is negative
so isang x siya guys.
2. We will change its, what do you call that again? To positive. Positive to negative.
Minus 2.
Then, copy the bottom. 2x minus 1 squared.
Negative 7.
Now, our final answer is negative 7 over, copy the bottom, 2x minus 1 squared.
This is our answer.
And that is now our final answer. Thank you for watching. Leader, Kian Jusuge, and members, Sena Arroyo and Altea Faye Marville.